Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around this BMW R1200 RS. As you can see, it comes with the crash bars here and the Denali adventure lights as well. We'll do a full walk around of the bike and I'll get it started up as well. So, starting down here, forks are looking pretty good. Got Dunlop tyres on the front, crash bungs here. Plenty of life left in the Brembo brakes and tyres, brakes and pads, sorry. Plenty of life left in the tyre as well. Let's wee bit inside. From the front, got the BMW screen. All looking good. Got the Denali adventure lights and the SW MOT crash bungs on them. Crash bars, should I say. No rips and tears in the seat. Bodywork is in pretty good condition, as I've said. We've got upgraded levers here that are fully adjustable. Got a BMW sat-nav mount, so most BMW and Garmin sat-navs can go in. There's also a few aftermarket ones you can put in which give you like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and all that. You've got heated grips, got your riding modes, ABS and suspension, cruise control, automatic lights, the BMW iDrive system, your trip and info, and horning indicators. You've also got a little socket up here for charging anything, like a heated jacket for example. Let's get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. I'm just going to let the bike warm up here. You will see that the bike is due a service. We'll be getting that done for you. I'll just confirm everything's working on the bike, so we'll start with the indicators here. Now you've got this sort of light here, which connects to this button, means that this is on automatic lights, so as you get brighter and darker, the lights will automatically adapt for you. Also got your lights here. Now, in the camera they are flashing, but in reality they're actually nice and steady, it's just the way the camera's picking them up. As I mentioned, heated grips here, so push that in. The riding modes, main, road, dynamic, and user. Roads here. You can adjust the suspension and ABS, really easy to do. So for example, suspension, just hold the button in, you see the icon change. So now it's the rider and luggage. Two riders, we'll go back to one. Trip computer, nice and easy to use. Flips through details you might look for. Mileage is 16,695. Let's give it a few revs, you can hear how she sounds. And there we have it, BMW R1200 RS. Any questions you've got about the bike, please let me know. Cheers.